Hey family, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log in for the first time in the Santander Bank mobile banking app. First, you need to install the app on your mobile from the Google Play Store or App Store. Now you have to open the app. The interface will look something like this. Here, you need to swipe right. You can read everything here if you want. Now you have to click on Start Now. Now we have two options in front of us, Log On and New Customer. We need to click on Log On. Here, some terms and conditions are shown. I recommend you read them carefully. After that, click on the Accept button and wait a little. Now it will ask for your personal ID. Here, you need to enter your personal ID. If you have forgotten your personal ID, you can click on Forgotten Details to find it. Now, your personal details will be shown on the screen. If they are correct, click on Confirm Details and continue. Next, you will be asked for your security number. You have to enter your security number here. Only you know this number. You won't get it via SMS. If you have forgotten your security number, you can click on Forgotten Details to retrieve it. After entering your security number, click on Continue. Now you can see a one-time passcode. It has been sent to your mobile number via SMS. Enter that code here and then click on Continue. Wait for a few seconds. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into the app. If you're facing any issues, you can tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching the video.